So, you've all managed to stay the entire day. Thank you first of all very much for staying till the end of the day. I am very grateful. It's been a lot to take in. Your head's probably buzzing, the room is a little bit warm, it's a lovely day outside. So I won't keep you for too long, but just some reflections. As you probably see, there's quite a bit that's going on. We have a system that's 19 products, deals with 16 million cases a year, and is developing and evolving the whole time. You can see the improvements that have taken place to keep the system going as it is right now. You've heard about all the work that's happening on standards and booking. Imagine that's almost 8 million transactions a year that could be booked in from urgent care into general practice if we can get the system right. There's something in there about online. It's a growing channel in this omni-channel world. We've hit 1 million journeys far faster than I thought I would. And that was a battle in itself to get that up and running. If we think about the debates we've had over the year, do we have an online urgent care channel, do we not? And it took an amazing team to make sure that we delivered something that worked. And then we've got the work that's taking place across the system to join up the clinical encounter. Some of that has been some early learning, but what we can really see is an opportunity that if we connect up different systems, we connect up the patient journey, improve the handover, we can improve the flow through the system, but the outcome for the patient. But that's just one part of the story. What about everything else? We've had NHS, so we've got a bit of an impression about our future now, and where we're going with standards, with strategy, commissioning, policy, and our approach to spend control. There's the vision, which was very clearly articulated by so many today, around our focus on users, the clinical user, the patient user, recognising the variety of needs that exist in our health system for everyone involved in that system. And then there's something in there about recognising the local, the provider, and how we work with providers. You've heard examples today and things that can happen on the ground, and it certainly is not going to all be delivered from the centre. I can be fairly certain that we're not going to deliver all of our agenda from Skipton House. I think that's a given. But many of you here have shared your stories from the ground about how we can do this. There's some great reflections from our colleagues from other services, from Dave Jackson and Francis, as well as Sonia. And we did hear about what it's like in other parts of the system. We've heard from other members during the day about what they're doing and how they're working, how we're working together and collaborating. And then there's our innovation zone, our exhibitors. It's been really important to me and the entire team that we work with SMEs, with providers, with everyone out there to try and make things better. And certainly from what I've seen, we have a challenge, not only clinically, but with our workforce. I've certainly seen some solutions from Quinix, from Docomo, from others. I've seen things that have come up as a result of nuance and using natural language processing, vision and the future that we have there. And all the things that transforming systems and the team are doing around the collection of data that could improve visibility through the system, and many others who are next door. But that really takes me on to what is the future. So for me, it's certainly what I think of, and someone else here put it together, not me, the dark technologies. The future is very much going to be about those things that might be digital transformative technologies, distributed ledger, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and quantum computing. We're not there yet. It will happen, but we need to get some of those basics right. But we also need to have a bit of vision, and we certainly need your help, your challenge, your support, and where you want to work with us, push us a little bit, and offer yourselves up as pilot sites. I know some of you have already done that, and we very much welcome that approach because I think that will help us achieve something far greater than an individual organisation trying to do this. So thank you very much for staying, thank you for participating. So thank you very much and thank you for joining us.